Namaste everyone, I am Shriya. Welcome to SS Craft Mantra. In this tutorial, we are going to make Alphabet O gift box and a gift which can be given to our loved ones. This is a series where I had made all alphabet boxes and cute gifts for each alphabet. Draw 2-inch lines as shown in the video. With the help of a compass, draw semicircle on both sides. Your alphabet O is ready. Trace the alphabet O on another paper. Mark 0.3 cm and make another alphabet O. If your strips are short, then you can join the strips. Fold the lines as shown in the video. Make cuts on the bended lines. Now simply glue the bended strips and stick on the alphabet O. Cut out. For the lid of alphabet O box, repeat the same process. Now let's make a gift out of alphabet O. You will require plastic bottle. Cut the plastic bottle. Bend the plastic cutout. We will require one part of it. Cut it into half. Now, for making alphabet O in a part, we will need to glue the plastic with tissue tape. If you don't have tissue tape, then you can use transparent tape. Now let's make customized oat chocolate. Take 1 chocolate, 2 spoons of Nutella, some nuts, mix it well. Now grease the butter paper and plastic alphabet O with butter. Pour the mixture into the plastic container. Now freeze it overnight. Your customized alphabet O chocolate is ready. Do check out Alphabet and Numbers Craft playlist for more such videos. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon. Select all so that you'll get all notifications whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.